Share this video. The fear of Umenga is the beginning of truth. Let me play one of that track. When I sing that song. You see this life not balanced. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better start at all right there. Don't play, please share this video. I'm not going to waste time on this video. I know my video and the cut short. I don't want to spend much time to watch the video because people would get what they use the other they do. Especially for those who like that. As they hold the ball, I'm not going to spend more time because I know why I don't spend time on my video again because I don't conquer all these my enemies for this social media. So if they make maths now, a lion is always the king of the forest. And you guys all know. I don't want to talk much. I don't that Lawuki. And the Murphy no Yomba. You already make your name already as the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. And the Murphy no Yomba, let me tell you something. Stop taking glory for what you don't, where you didn't work. Stop taking glory for where you didn't work. Eddie Murphy, hear me and hear me clear and don't deceive yourself. You did not stop human trafficking in Edo State. Our Oba of Benin Kingdom, Oba Ewa, the Ogridiga himself. Oba of Boneko, Obie Kenekene Madoyo, or the other Hemete, is the man that stopped human trafficking. You understand? You were all using human trafficking names to make money in your pocket. Yes, bro. Don't play. That was what you all be doing all this while. You were saying human trafficking must stop, human trafficking must stop. Just the way I say adulterous women to stop. Women to stop sleeping around their matrimonial home. Now, that was the way you came up with human trafficking must stop, human trafficking must stop. It is the king that stopped the human trafficking. Rather, all those human traffickers who are those women, we are giving you money for you to remove their picture from your social media cyberspace. That was what you did with all human trafficking, whatever you did. You understand? You see your friend, your in-law, they prison, all because of human trafficking. And see the way you talk today. You see the way you talk with your video today, you be really Ozuo. If I say you be Akbabobo, you don't go believe. So you say they fight human trafficking must stop. Because Efe was your in-law, you know say Efe they do human trafficking there. You not stop him. Right? Eddie Murphy, you not stop him. Because now your in-law, you talk to them, you say you don't carry the con. You talk to them, you say you don't carry the. How many of those women you disgrace, you humiliated on media, where you call, talk to say, yes, you do human trafficking. Where they tell say, yes, I mean, you do them. They all deny, but what do? You decide to place their picture. Immediately those women see their picture on social media, they go, they fear. The next thing they go, they bribe you with money, maybe they remove their 50 euro. That was what you were doing with your platform all these years. So my dear, now be you stop human trafficking. Now our king, let's stop human trafficking. Stop the third glory also. Stop to the take glory for where you know so. We don't belong to you. You hear me? I tell you now, if nobody tell you, me I tell you, not be you stop human trafficking. After your rubbish and your useless talk, what you end, you go end as the enemy of Benin Kingdom. If you don't make it known, our great kingdom, those states know who they work according to custom and tradition. Our great kingdom can never ever betray man or sons of the land that stood for the land. Hello? Are you hearing me? They always deal with the enemy of the kingdom, the people that stand to betray the kingdom. That's the people where the Benins they against. That's the people where the palace they punish. Or be understanding, man? Anybody where they against the palace, automatically you are against the kingdom. You are against the Edo at large, both home and abroad. And such people deserve punishment from the kingdom. Anytime you visit Benin, if you don't know, make you know. You can hit on anybody, any Edo person, no problem. But when you step your dirty mouth at the movie, hear me and hear me clear. The day you step your mouth to the kingdom, to the great house of Edo State, the great palace of Benin, that day you become the enemy of Benin Kingdom. That's the reason why you go drink water for palace. If you don't know, make you know. If you not know now, make I tell you, make you for know the reason of your atrocity. With the video you did years back. You get me? You are just trying to paint the whole story on media to look as if you are still relevant. And though people knew you are not relevant, why? Why? Because before they called for your arrest in the palace, they saw you in the palace. You went to the palace to go and take pictures alongside with the king, with the chiefs in the palace. Immediately they sight you, they recognize you. This was the boy that was lives in Germany who was throwing his useless mouth to the palace. You said no. And they said, hold on, let me go and bring the video. Before they brought the phone, where they plugged their phone, you discharge from the palace, you run away. And you have to call the youth chairman, which is your in-law, Tony Kabaka. And Tony Kabaka, your in-law is here who has thrown back to the kingdom years back. And they played the video for your in-law. Your in-law has no choice. Is to submit you in the palace immediately with immediate alacrity as far as the palace has given an order. So shall it be. The word is final. And you were brought to the palace. And they play you the video. Is this not you? You deny. This is not you. Now computer work. That was what you said. And they say, oh, this is not you, right? Oh, you mean this is not you talking, okay? This is not your voice. The same voice you are using now, and you are denying it on phone. You say it's not you. No problem. There are ways we do things here. Since you say this is not you, you are going to swear. You are going to swear this ground. They brought out the Ojuju in the palace. Take ground, strip you naked. And you put your 2 hands and swear. You drink all your concoction and your concoction. And the more you didn't know me, you ready. You drink all the undrinkable. And they strip you naked and chase you out of the palace. Sing the song they normally sing for an enemy of the kingdom. Meaning, Ogyoba Tora Sungu at the Neburu, Ogyoba Tora Sungu, Igbe. That is the song the whole Benin, home and abroad, used to recognize the enemy of the kingdom as custom and traditions demand. That was how you were molested and chased out of the palace. And since that day, you become the enemy of the Benin kingdom. You be one manipulator onto Ogbe level. You be one doer. You go pass through the former Omanda, who is also the enemy of the kingdom now, to go lobby you, pass back here to carry you enter palace. Like say, they don't return your call, so What happens to that guy? He become the enemy of the palace. He was arrested by the EFCC, sentenced to prison. Anybody that has something to do with you always end up the way you end up. Yes, the shame and disgrace with your entire body from the palace must wear that person. Check people that have mingled with you all these years. They end up being disgraced on social media. They are shame and they spread that like a barapa. That's a generational curse. My brother, how about dinner? I hear you. Enemy of the kingdom, I greet you. Now you do the video concerning a faith, you hear the talk show. The Umema came out this morning before Una will come out, come to deceive Edo at large, both home and abroad. I have to come out and spoil that game, that plans. One plan. That's why my word they pain now. If they touch no for the woman because why? And they kill the baby. Now you plan, you post a fair picture. You see the way they lie. You say a fair was arrested February. I just look. You see, now when the job come from Nigeria, they arrest her. I look you and laugh. When I'm gonna sit down, I will diagnose her little about this story where I know this legitimately, not they say we are the here. I want to talk where me know this, not be they say. But that's that. I mean, I think that's what they call each other. No weeks when they Naija, that's what they control. I didn't like with the fair. I watch the fair like this. What the fair they do, like on stage. For that, I want to imagine the video. You don't know they I see all of them for there. I was just listening to my official. That's that they watch. You understand? When he go say I do video call with them. We talk, you understand? So as he come down for stage, after that time, man, you try nice one. At least for the first time, you try a nice one. We talk. I'll compliment him. You so I encourage him as a guy, as a friend. So when I watched the Murphy video, you said, let's leave the human trafficking aside. You said blah blah. You were mocking your in-law. I know you the mocker. Fine. No, it cannot deal with the way here. And now I'm mama. I don't want to problem. Anybody feel mock? Anybody feel use on to create content? Now I'm mama. You understand? But you, Eddie Murphy, why I specifically come send message to you? For the lie we felt like, you post the picture, you say you want to donate money for her. You want to donate money for her. I consider a strategy. One of the strategy where you take collect money for the people abroad, give me to go pay the business for the court will join. Fine. Now, you want to marriage now, and they want to come on that strategy. Money not digging now. The real date of the money document, the real cards. Don't say, well, see, and they live fake life. All those cook and books, car, and don't rush the dude. Just to contain pepper with men. I do my own. I don't do my own. I don't go. I think of on that level. The level of marriage now, I just stay past that one. I'm taking on that level now. I want to think again now. So let's leave that aside. You guys are planning to come up with a rest fund for this man. Let's see what will happen. Let's take lawyer. Let's do this. Let's do that. So my belief on our mind say all these years the failure has been in Europe, you not get lawyer. Is that what you guys think? I've told you that's that number. Nobody should deceive you guys. So you guys feel this man has no lawyer all this year. When you think for our mind, person will get children, he get wife, he gets house or abroad here for Italy here, he get contract, he get life contract. Before he can go put in, they can give him a passport. All these years we did here, if they go, if they get issue, he will get issue with this woman. What do they call her? Madam Gladys. You understand? You don't fair go court. So you get a belief that guy don't get lawyer. Even me, we never get document, we have to go seek a get lawyer. We have to carry full court, no, get lawyer. No talk of person we don't do here for you, not get lawyer. That one the first brutality. We go first think. Let's not head. Now they come up and they look, they need better lawyer. That one will say they come up to take collect money for her. They want strategy. Now that's when they go run and finish and they go call your wife. Now here they cook the strategy. They go so Eddie Murphy. I mean Eddie Murphy. You understand? I mean Eddie Murphy. They want cook strategy. Now they want to collect money now. First one, they come bring wife accounts. They'll come. These are FM6 from straight another straight game where they will say they collect money for them because they know say people with they abroad. They know they get out of giving. They take that advantage of those people that have heart of giving to people, they make you say they fraud them. And that will stop. That has to stop. We have a lot of problem in Nigeria to face. Back home in Edo State to face. Not with these hungry boys who women put for inside house, they are not working. They are not working. And the generation that they want to do things way past their power. They don't have that money. They don't have that capacity to take responsibility. You with their close, so they give people for that job. You now just pray, say, my lovers love me. They disappoint me. My lovers, God bless you. My lovers, I need them. My lovers, and God bless you. They need them for face. So be there for people where you don't receive for face. Stupidity is the highest level of all these men for social media. Their skills are to be exposed. They not like me. I'm not praying they like me. That's why I can never make friends with them. I'm their enemy. Yes. Now I did not feel that. You want to talk one story? You say since November, then they arrest the face. I said, you come for Nigeria. Then they grab him. I look you, I laugh. I mean, since January. So when they arrest the face, I call this, I say, this guy. This guy can lie. Bros, you can lie, you. I look. I said, okay, make that up. Now, my people, February 18 was my introduction. February 18, 2022, last 2 months, was my introduction. When I listen, when I sit down. So, that my introduction day, I was in my house here. You understand? I was in my house here. That's on 17, I was in my house. I was supposed to be in my house. Not true. So, that 17th night, my senior brother can call me for phone. Bro, after I was 11, everywhere good, everywhere good. You are there, my wife, I call you know, yeah. Yeah, you know, I roll, I go for you. A woman, never said, no. In a hell tradition, they are going to call the family. You need to be there with her. Now, oh yes. Where is you? You know, you ask you, what's in that to you? You see me tell you, it's okay, problem. You have to be there. As early as 5 o'clock. I don't move fast. So, around that time, 10, I thought I didn't reach my wife's city. I just make a camera full commands. I got to go to the train station. Close to the train station, I got to screw my phone, my WhatsApp. So the screw my WhatsApp, I just look the upload where people upload the proper picture where they upload for their phone. I can jam a fake profile picture where you upload a new babe. I could see her. They take picture, they bury snap, they take picture. At least I just laugh. So I come as I can write nice one. Enjoyment master. You understand? Immediately, you see the write up of WhatsApp. Then he called. That was my introduction day. As he called, I go to my wife's house. My wife's house, my wife's house. Me, I feel call the talk for. So say, Frank. I say, you know, get away with that. That one not mama. You cash that one. I'm like, I won't give her a hand. This one of my second wife where I just take to. I just say do on code, you understand? I say, really? I say, no, you know, guy, man, like, clear. Well, when we time now, you can yes, what balance is, I was in another over. But I like for information, maybe I will go on a tradition, I know, tradition, because me, I boy, you carry your balance one. So, yeah, plan to give her. We can't laugh because say, so we have tradition, come on, I reach out now. I know, tell you come in now, come down now. See where you see where I did. Oh, come down here, now is the we understand. Just want to know, okay. I didn't marriage in a row. You do me normal level. You know, I say, be man, you do me for us my marriage day. You all day here with me and you did together. I hope you work. Marriage, introduction, I want to recommend 2 weeks time, not the marriage, which is February ended when? Ended 29. That's month ending. February ended 29. When I listen to both in our 2 weeks, always is February anywhere. Yeah, be January. Yeah, understand. If I work in Nigeria in January, no, now we like for stage of the 8th of January. I work in Nigeria, we are arrested February. February 18, my wife and Yagua. Or true. We talk fine. After introduction, 2 or 3 days later, I can't move again. Look on my side. All the time they prepare things. They arrange things normally. Then, February 28th. Now come my house here. Come on my side. Because now March 2nd be our wedding. You understand? That day we are come out to go my woman's side. I felt you upload video for your WhatsApp. As I just hear all those music with they sing, I just look up. And me I call and say no. I will wait till 30th or 30th. I'll call and say now 2 days time, which is on Saturday. You understand? I'll call and go now to 38 minutes action. 30th I call on. You know I ring, you know pick. That day know I ring, you know pick. I was feeling maybe it did work. If you see video, if you see my missed call, it will come in and up. Normally that's what they do before. So if I call on, especially if you did bar, you know will pick. Once you don't come for a crowd, you can call me here. In time I take on and did bar, and make you not pick. Now you leave. I call on 1, 2, you know pick now lock up. So me not come understand that marriage day. That was the second one of the marriage. Now come Piama. Because that was the second, as far as 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't wake up, I don't come my wife, I also play my wife here. I go watch that video, now me do that okuku, my wife goes to now do it. 5 o'clock, I don't wake up, speak that far. Me no like, I want to like all this disappointment of it. I like to arrange my tea perfectly in my own way. It must not be grrr. I just do one portable my own way, so we just do my thing, sharp. See, the woman, I said, well, sit down, this is the best they don't want to sit down, come. Where I see when I say, well, the last year I go to dinner, till it's up. Don't be who. Sit down, I go to dinner. As long as your head not plenty so. No, I will decide with me. No, but it's a way. Where relax, it's a way. No, it's a way now. No, those social to pay with the restaurant. My Baba look court. I'm tidying it. It's a way for now. They look me. You just, I ballo no, Kuno, I ballo yo. No, I come away as a minimum of those days. For my life, knows that I'm not tidying you. That's why I said, where I did you? Because I said to her, when they call a man, Faye, now to kill my number. So I call the number, don't go. Call her, call her, don't go. Now you'll go. No one stress myself to do my day. One of them, 19 on one. Oh, I saw what nothing for. You might get one. I said, but Kuna, I number 1 way. I barely on a hand. Damn. We run the rest things sharply, the food or the food stuff. I used to cap at Bolivia to them. In my love, I want to put on about we are tidying the carry. Now, okay, normal level. But I saw we take do the things sharply before people come. Among my in-laws, they can't come. My in-laws with the Europe here. One of them can't come. They pile up there, contacting everything sharply. Till the marriage starts. The marriage. Since then, if I screen Facebook, I'm not seeing your update. 2 days, if you must upload something for your WhatsApp status. You may never upload. Say call number, nobody married you. Then, this month, is it not this month? The way they do video, where they go one party where they go for Salzburg. Not be Salzburg, now Salzburg now. Where you like to go see Vinivi. And that day now I know. So don't grab my guy. That day we say they go, we will say like one Vinivi for Austria. Now that day me know. It was not last week, I mean last 2 weeks here. And that day I didn't know, I know see me. They don't grab my guy, see what they support. Okay, Mafa, see what is the play with your guys, see what's happen. As I told you, my traffic thing, so you understand. Say matter the grass is there, so they don't judge the case, they don't sentence somebody. As I move, then you want to come out committee because when we are in the Italy. So you want to move now, go UK, go see one of our children. Now I'm going to be contractor. Now so it's about my girl. Okay, what will be the update now? Like I say, this one, all they chose the case now. You will think don't judge her for court. Can I go please? I don't give her 8 years. I say 8 years, yes. Oh no, my previous small. But as I hear, I say God, which can one abuse on? That can't see enough. We talk come off social media. I want this. Wait for my stance. I wish if you see explain. I can like me now. I can remember now not be human traffic, and don't me when he first up my other year. Now based on small money with whom I got idea, okay, come up from my house, all those single women that they pursue my for us. You understand? I'm not saying my guy, I'm not come out go anywhere. You carry my belly, it's me at home for you. How do you know this belly? I want to go anywhere today. I mean, when you talk to another baby father for abroad, I say no, I'm not go anywhere. We come aju. Think of result of Balebe matter. When I did that prison, I carried my 100 phone enter the prison, 200 phone I carry enter the prison. Then the little way they collect the 200 from my hand. They remove, they say any of the SIM card where I don't say they use pass. They give me one of the SIM card. They give me their own personal what is it called this phone? Techno phone. Techno. All those techno phone and they give me. That techno phone they tracker. Any conversation with they make, they record that for their office. So they can't give me. That's the phone I was using when I was in prison. The only person we know say I did prison then. Now, Princess Babette, we did for UK. You were one of UK. She was the person I knew that I was in prison. Everything happens in our present. For phone, me and the phone, when everything happened, bass, they can't go prison. When I did that prison, so she can't call down my line. The line can't go. How it can't go because when the motor set, I can't call for a year. After about 3 to 4 days, my number, after about 4 days, can call. The phone can't ring for prison. I can't pick up the UK number. Come and say, "Son Frank, come and send me Frank. Send me prison bed." I said, "Okay." After I could have and I said, "When on soon, call the minister give me when on soon, based on the phone, when the good man, phone man, but the phone man, phone here need me now. Yes, you control the phone now. You understand? So in my matter now, on number wrong, you live number wrong. Now, a number. Or when you marry in Nigeria, or marry in Nigeria again. But why am I divorced? That was 2018, like that. Why am I divorced? No, you know, when you marry in Nigeria, but all wrong. No good call it. Come out what I for any gun. No good have a family or where a regan. And now, okay, now she helped me boss and give my wife, my ex-wife then. My ex-wife now contact my father, tell my brothers then. You left me so. Before I said, no, I'm winner. I just said, I just said, go to the light dog. Even that person without pass my house. Man, I'm going to pass a friend. I'm going to my little okay. This one will do my house. Someone they pursue you and he say, "Hey, I go and watch play. Hey, I go and do this one. Hey, I go and cook. Woman will come out to you. If you want help, woman let her come for your man. Let me see woman they come out to you. That's the cost score. Everywhere call they make something stay worry this one. Because you get one small belly, you're the phone. Now you map on me. I'm in the phone for my pa. Now you take bon 6 for my pa. Now I pack where what still worry you? Because you there abroad. That's what I found myself for quickly. Like this. God do one, I still ball out. As I did that prison, and they go in cafe bar, and they go the brass for internet. Then they give us 2 hours outside that prison. Where you feel go, your browse, or you log in your Facebook, you upload anything you want to upload for Facebook. People when they follow you, go to say you see just the auntie. I don't say man, I say click. Most of the video after they post my video. Now I say click about do all those things that time. You understand? Because I want you request that they'll give you. If you want to do gym, like when I register for football for that prison, and they play for that prison. You understand? For that prison where they play, I play ball where no day when they go feed. Because the prison be like for Bremen City. Prison be die. Different group D, group C, group A, group Z. So I'm building group. This they'll get challenge, they'll do challenge, they carry cup. They'll do challenge. This group will go play with this group. Will go first like they see Champions League now, Premier League. You understand? Now so we tell now for there. Oh yeah, let me block it for here. Come on my platform. I will lay. So where's it gonna play? Oh, we are back come out today. When you see say I don't that game when you want to play with FA name for take collect money before. I don't block him. Okpafia, nappy no matter yo. A napping yet take plan, and that nap with one play. Say I want to call the money for her, want to take good lawyer. Okpafia. You want to twist time. See the way they twist time. I tell you, we take twist time. Criminal is always a criminal. See the way they twist the story now. You can't say, me a picture of your ladia. I'm going to see Bologna. You belong to somebody by what you belong. You belong on anybody. I don't wait the Bologna. It's young. And of my way, you know, soon that a fay there. And then you want traffic, you know. And fay, you don't move your car. You didn't have a fay in a fay. You have a woman, una woman, this and that. Now, I do not fade dinner. You have to look, you know, the idea you logging in on. Now you got it, you got it. Well, listen, I want you to talk to them for the video and watch them. Now, I have a people nowhere. Then they said they don't try as a body, as a do union in Bologna. Young Chinese, I'm sure we understand the fair. But when I go about Balibu, you know, the set camera you were fair. The camera of video fair, you go near me, you can't go ahead. So you need enough evidence to fight anybody not that young you been on the fair or young do it on the fair. So for the now, the matter of gas or your year, every year on anybody knowing you seek a police station, you are not what are you? Anybody knowing any seek a prison, whatever you are to it, and all the raw, can raw. Now you know, I 50 euro, you know, I didn't know. Me ya back with more. Then you feel where you are. Akola. That's a see my guy. Criminal, Anini. Because you know why? As I brought us this morning, tell us nobody should donate money for social media presenters. They are criminals. If they say make una give them $1 because of FAE. We will not give them money. We will give them our own cup of tea. They feel so. Before I know what's going to happen, and the month become got twist and come bend and Bad guy. But your mind is smart. That was a nice one, bro. You try for that one. For that game you played, waited twist down. Maybe if not cool, say you want to come back. Okpafia, my God. Hey, we. Okpafia. You're not going to like me because I'm going to cut down. Enough one in your wife, yeah. Yeah, wife, yeah. Now, when I say I see the lie, you say, well, I'm going to go set camera for the house. You don't know if they arrest the fair, they don't arrest the fair. Now, they say, well, of us a year, so normal level, now we'll tell the years, the story now. How you continue see the self camera for house? You know, my brother, let's go and let's go. Who be a we who be a and the most who be a we were happen soon when we go. Jabo you. Taparak by dog yoji. Oh, you ba. Oh, Jamie. We want to use every means. And anything will happen. You want to tell them you own a jagwani where the movie. I saw spending no give. You can't know the come up with the family. Now everything I go take the family for media. Everything just be like Benin. If person born, they go drink beer, they go celebrate. If person die, they go celebrate. If person pass exam, they go celebrate. If you fail, they go celebrate. Nothing you go drink beer. Now everything you go to collect money put. If you hear how you know the goji. If you are social media now, if you men now, you do get what you are here. If for money are fraud, they are media now. Hey, are you boy or no? Hey, are you boy or no? Oya Zua. Oh, one more Zua, the next person on Yayega. Bros, make Yayega anymore. Mine come over. Also, not to say about any yard. Ne prison of my government. The Kayega again. One time, prison where this place is better than my house. When I say, I was walking. In the road, the morning, I go to the 350 men, the motor. When we got away, prison, in our bebo. In the sun. I have 11 the one where I live, in our live, we have said, when we are to be on well, When we all get out here, what we prison. You don't feel me so? Before we get me, we go in the yard, Jody Kissy men, we are like, if you be in Italy, there's another prison. You don't feel me so? Oh, yeah, that's a video. Oh, what will I not God? Oh, my sexy mulatto. Oh, God. And the moment they pay you, so at the moment, so you want to use my wife, they come, Ogun boy. Who have to boy, one way or how so you they look my wife face, the user they come. My ball, loud, Monu Yari, done. No, Yagbera. Ogoni Mary, who no one Onyiwa, ukona ta yo vena la go dokin ka we no je. Ogoni Mary, who no one who no crata. Ogono what respect do. Ogono what gini rodo. Ogono what gini yodo. Oh, okama we. Otema no je. Never how we. Na ro. Je ga no do ko la so se. Na wo ni brother la, Mr. Brother la. Quand on dit là, tu sais, t'as sauvé qui nous voit, on peut bon, bien mossé, derrière, on y a mouillé, on a et toi, le mec, bedrio. Et il a dit que quand on a dit, that is we. My back be my royal get dog, near the old Maggie man. Oh, no, you're one in my team, my guy. Ima go one no any be me Mario who me Mario who big be was scored. Me Mario who banini what out. Me magbo we me the movie. Who tell me am masowe. Where be Jeremy ya ibo when yari we agree. O wa wo me human trafficker. O we me human trafficker be. O na wa dia. Oh, yeah, it is a get. Where you are telling you, you know what, take with the one. Oh, well, if I'm Victor, a human trafficker. If I'm Victor, human trafficker. I get the other 2016. Oh, but I stopped human trafficker 2017. A copy may come, may tomatoes to get bread. A desert water, you remove, well, stop human traffic. Then we have no idea. In that way, boy, now very sorry. A big go in it. Open it. Just a woman will like when I see. Oh, I like skin. Oh, I still give what down. Now, just no allow skin. I want you much to give him. I want you what you go for. Even you knew me. You know, I see boy, you have speed you here. Yeah, when you are black million. You know, you me. Anybody know I have you. Tell me, woman of Bali. Tell me, woman of Bali. We're married to live on what the woman of Bali. What be why? Isanga bobosi and mo him we no gbale gbe no ki me ko na no yan ye Ghana next is where you are like child abuse who were the beye le lo mu ga e mo ni ma bi le wo bu ve bi le ai mi e child ri ate uta han ige mo no re jemi warrior and you are not paying tax because at the end where they pay the money those mother will not claim single mothers. Just for them to have documents. Only pay your body in Bena. Just to get documents abroad. Monhiari Portugal Germany. Don't play. Don't mind any come over. Monhiari Portugal. A bomb police for no bias with me. Thank God we are dressed well. You understand? Very soon you receive letter from governments. Yeah, it's you. One or something. Where worry? Don't play. Oh, where did? Again, I don't know where. Who are you if you are aware? But I don't worry, if I have now here would they. Where no human trafficker, if you were not equally you with the Kuna, she was a human trafficker. If you were she was a human trafficker. You know that. These are all human traffickers. You are all human traffickers. You are all traffickers. I do my drink. Hey, you boy, don't play. Hey, you boy, you good learn. All the Airways and all the Don Airways, the Don Mugu and the Ogiobas, you guys are good learn. Don't play, you are good learn. Very soon you are good learn. Hey, you boy, you go to Ireland. Am I fake bad? If we were brother, he begged. Amazon, I better pass you. I better pass you. I better pass you. Amazon, you never born. Amazon, you marry, you did the house. Your wife did the house. Amazon, me and Mama Laura, we did together. We marry. We did together. Hey, doggy. Come here, man. I will just look you, I will laugh. You know why they laugh you? According to you, you say me marry, I did not have to in that place. And you and your so-called Ebutu, who are you are living together. You're good. Love yourself. Bro, only me want better pass you at Kuyeke. You know why? Kuyeke never carry house for abroad now. He's still a baby girl. He's still under government. Now government is feeding on Kuyeke. It work when I want to pay her straight. You guys are, you are not living, you are squatting with a woman. There's a difference between you having a house, calling yourself landlord, than squatting with a woman in the house. Don't play. All because you're looking for document, bro. You are not living with Mama Nora because you marry her. You're not living with Mama Nora because you love her as a wife. You're living with her because you're looking for document. That's why you're giving birth every week. You don't feel so? Oh, BLA every week. You know, because of documents. You see, because I want to plan my life well. First of all, I have to start looking for apartments. To stand myself as a man. Let me face the wall and take responsibility. That's looking for women that already acquire wealth. Women that have house who I can come and squad with. Living like a lazy youth out there. You don't feel the vibes. I want to stand and take responsibility as a man. That to squad with a woman, after government give the woman, they can't give me job. No, it doesn't work like that. If you have stood as a man, I could have known this guy, my husband, that guy gets strength, that guy gets vibes, that guy can't now. Yes, fine, get started to make money. But you, no level, bro. I feel like what time, I've told you time start number. Guy, come make I teach you work. So you go fit stand as a man. You know me say you will leave Manora. Oh yes. As I did here, so I get girlfriend for Germany, I get girlfriend for France, I get for Spain, I get for Austria, I get for UK, I get for America, I get for Canada, I get for Australia. You don't feel me so? Look, yo! Every me know they do things hard. Me know they have things for woman. Any movement where they make move today, my wife know. If you don't know, I make it know. My wife know this is my movement. I'm always straightforward to her. You feel so? If I get money at the bank, my wife must know how much enter my account. You hear her? She know how good they go collect on my account. You don't want to give her, I want to give her. But she must know how much I get at the end of the month. It not be like you. Ordinary 200 euros. Now, Edo Union Association take give you as a gift for your baby. Your wife deliver. What will happen? It did here. When you are Ladino. GPC people donated 2,900,000 give you. What till you go tell your wife for his house? 280,000 and they give you. Nice, you just decrease. They say you better pass me. Like, seriously, bros, you really better pass me. For stupidity, you better pass me. Illiteracy, you better pass me. You think so? With wisdom, I pass you. But you don't go feel no. Because as you can see now, you are copying from me. If me not do marriage, you don't say you go do marriage. No, let us say that cultural dance marriage I do, one room marriage I do. I agree. If I not do that one room marriage, why you not do your marriage today? For how many years don't promise marriage for this social media? Why you not marry? Why you busy now when I can't do marriage? Think can't treat guy, you see, this boy when you think say you better pass. Fit get my go marry for Nigeria. Now you will phone will do not go marry. This one slap to your face. Now slap to your face. I need to call my mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, I want to marry. Mother-in-law, I want to marry. Second tagman, happy drive, I want to marry. Happy drive, second tagman, I want to marry. They could go, my no investor, I don't care what to scatter everywhere. My marriage, money, what do they call? Luxury marriage. That luxury marriage, I want to one shock or Muslim. Must not provoke me. I want shock or Muslim. Mommy. Hello. Yes, Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Almost Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh, what can you imagine? Almost Yahweh marriage. Mommy. Mommy, manifesto, you owe me manifesto. Almost Yahweh marriage. Mommy, Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. What are that? Yahweh block is a contact. You are ready for a speaker. Yeah, block is a contact. Okay, no one. Call you, I will marriage. Mommy, who have a tyranny when you are deciding? And another way deciding. Mommy, Kakabot charger. Kabawa, whether I will go with Kakaboa charger. What can you have by you? I can't marry. My city where mommy, my when now, my way, but on it, no, you know one of it. And I had the time. We would have what if you want to off your body. And now, I will one. Any of your body. He was no. The night is when we won't have your body. When you have my see, remember, Baba. Oh, so they back out. Oh, go boy, I will marriage. All I have to play, I can get me. Hey, Mamma, no, when you go. Oh, yeah, my quadra. Hey, marriage in a boyako, quick, Anna Lavaja, Anna Babesa, and oh, now allow for like me, Lamona Biegbe. Oh, when I hear him go over. On I can yet my fans, I beg, they could not buy my clothes. Why are they here? A jealousy, I fancy not loving you. My fans, well, I to go love my fans. Oh, it no give fans. Una to day, it no give fans. They support me here. But when the first year is supporting her, ever see you love you, and not supporting you. A no gay collection service. A no gay collection ministry. Pastor, you don't get hello. Bad guy, your format too tight. Gamma, your format, when you do the bed, he too good legit. My guy, a format you well legit, with my guy. Legit format where you beg, street beggar. My guy. Who they do show up better pass you? And they test you. What the go live video? Like, go get disgrace yourself, public disgrace. To bow. How about marriage? And when you go with your marriage, you go with them on behind. So then, go. I go for something, God punish you. Because people, when they beg money, when they give money to do man, they may single mother for side, they don't get husband. Go, they come. Some will come. No man, they call the lash them. Unless they use it to do those sad up everywhere. Everybody don't have Dido better. All of them are better. See, they are better, they pump hair with Dido. There's nothing like Bola. Bola goes straight to the normal ink on him. Dido's categorize everywhere. If you can see your guests that open book for girl, like my warehouse. Boah. To talk with your white. Like they spread cloth for some. Boah. Before, if you look your pan, that slim pan, they pass inside. Now, if you look your pan, he go, if you woman, if you can't see him, the way the pan not clear for that because it be like the tie rope for bridge. And then by that time they use rope with the climber, the crosser. And so some women, some guests because be now. Where Dido don't wide down, Dido don't spread down all everywhere. Nyama. Because of the Dido better, as in roba, as it can lie lie, or it can't wide way. I'm like, we robber. Why we robber? We want to worry robber you way. So now like shook robber. He must not be big Bola. He get with the man to target you. Or quite solo. I feel like when I continue roy, when I chicken roy, you want to have disconnect, connect. If I want to disconnect, connect. You know what I feel like. Don't die. Well, I don't know if you go to look at your marriage. Why can't you go with you? I'm going to know why you are. I know you're in Miami or America. I've been a very long on in Miami. Single mother without no husband. Oh, why I live no you? Oh, why I live one? Why you live no there's some women, sir. Or no husband. We have to do no young marriage or no, or your house on the back of the hour marriage. It meant no war. Everything now with your social media, when I will turn out on that thing. All of them present now so fitter. I mean a little face of it. Fitter. A look the man with fitter a boy was jello, or as jello now on the red or a hero. No one was a Sabu no say. Sabura guarda fitaio, Sabura wa bleed unu ya wa kisadi. Wewe timawe chuka Sabura. Sabura dede wewe sona yi. Dede wewe sona yi fitaia we live video yi. We are true with the live video we are watching. We are watching face we riba wo. No di sin la yo kunya la ye Fita Squad Association. On no mo say ne, e ma ya no dey no for all these years they know the kind of person you. Ina Fita wan come make you see man. When you go to the Fita, what it be? If it be already no, ya the money the nya tere e back no a Fita. E Fita lo di ate ati. They are there to you. Fita. Oh, why you Fita mo picture mo e gbe ye mi no sa lo bu out dasi. Oh, e when I won man no. Sister no mo de. E na order. Any order the television. Me o to eka. Becky, you're supposed to give you a very good lesson. Okay, as I talk about the teaching of saga. No be what I see for Facebook. No be I see for knowledge grant. And they tell you, no, I don't want to use it on a cup of tea or a backfire go. Filter, they change your face, look your Facebook. Look Nancy with Monica. If you Monica for that video, Monica will do so. This is your filter, Shasa come fair. You understand? And Nancy, why Monica was shocked because of filter. Be your real self. Be your real person. You know, when I watch the video now, when I watch the video, we go with the 2 video where Nancy we go and praise Nancy. Nancy was talking. The first time they go with say they call that the Cora. Now what Nancy better? Now what Nancy better? See Monica. Then see carry face same. See guess who I have here? Nancy. Then I say Jesus. Ah, this is your filter now. Wow, since I call your fair. I'm not going to follow her sister. You are. I'm not following her sister. I'm not shock. Eh, no, I'm not seeing it right now. Ah, you know, I'm not following her sister. You are. You're going to get shocked. Why are you using natural video? I don't understand now. We don't get the fans. We don't get the fans. Who are serious? You are fan for. You use your fan. Don't love you. Don't love you. Who love you? Don't love you. Who do you be respect you? Who do you be black and white? He don't love you. Don't love you. Be your natural self. Especially when you are single. You never marry. You be single lady, single girl, single mother when they find man. Be your natural self. Let man love you naturally. See your natural face. They fall in love with you. Don't depend say pimples not your face smooth for Facebook. If they see for ground, as my way they better face, big people not your face. Or you what you are here, that's even what's up. But for Facebook, it go be or your body go be because of filter. You know, not be sad now, I know the truth. Now for prison, when they use filter, not be one person. That's why I say I mention your name, not be one person. Now advice. Who will marry you tomorrow? Because everybody dead to your husband. Tomorrow, if you see jam, the man will marry you. May you not be the same thing. We be seeing here encounter. Now you see go encounter. One thing, you don't go. Second one, you know, my sister, one of them use brain. Me go now, I go with filter. You know clear. Your body go, you go with filter. You know clear. Sister, you know go change filter. I change filter. You understand? You change filter. Be your natural self. Let man love you naturally with your real face, your real body. Stop this your beauty camera chat, Snapchat when they do video. You know the help. I don't my drink with peace. I want you. I'm understand you now. Because I see many guests now. They don't collide enter beauty camera. In here why watch it. Open no alita no no in there why the no literally. Only wa gbele yo o wa te. Oh no wa mi o. I tell you na say Amalawa part 1 and 2. On a matter you look what that we do. Oh. So the no wa bon. O menna. Ba be sure you put no go live do na. Mi na ba ba nya. Peni amusi se yan odo. Egbe na go re. Egbe na go se me na se no aye to ka ela o na we ta okpa na pa wo. Owe ni amusi se bro si yan odo. All of them are single. Oh, it's soon now. Why here? Why here? My brother, what to do? You may know. We watch a video here. I'm not going to be. I don't know how money you. When we marry you, I'm going to do. Go grab you. Suru. You get me? Yeah, how about my mommy water? Yeah. Baba, where are my water? I'm there. A big water. I don't know. Someone go on your door. Then go on your zoo. Odoro or Zoro. Understand? If when you go on your door, it's not in your zoo. So what's in nane runanwa? Memioku, Imamioku. Obukara uno negbino. Yes. Okuno mudia no pe ya ma enu okuno wa avasbia o wa ti anu gba no kuno ti go gba ni gba re you so that's the woman I marry, that's the woman I'm looking for. You understand? He knows me too well. I'm very free and flexible and flexible master in what you well. You understand? Connection in me one ebuni o wa mi jara wana wa gbe mu an this there. Yes now. Wa gbe mu an. Was it having that connection of no warrants me to be continuing nuisance? You understand? Or pulling people anyhow necessarily without no proof? The feel me so? Things are working perfectly at its own time. One thing I will tell you guys, keep doing good. It helps a lot. You get why? Keep being yourself. Be your natural self. Let me love you naturally. Just for who you are. The only bad thing you have, change it. Talk. Man, I'm not going to let man talk, I'm going to talk. That character, man, don't like him. Many of you from me don't get that attitude. Deviate from it. I did this life, you have to talk for 4 hours. And I will stop. Person no will call in. I will off my ladder. I go your cure person, keep on I'll tell you 4 hours. But if it's for those of now when they follow me talk on WhatsApp after live video, I don't know if talk with 30 minutes, I don't end the call. I don't summarize the video, I don't know if you talk. But when I sit down for this my Facebook, I feel clear you 10 hours I'm talking. I feel they put up this, I see they spread the age. No. But out of Facebook, I have my own life to live. Peacefully. Peace. You don't feel so. No way. Oh, women, some say, be the way what be the biological father. Well, I'm about here. Men, I am about you, let me tell you, my boy, you are a boy, you're a boy. Take me to any course. As far as I'm concerned, the money or women, they are my sons, they are my daughter. Money, young. No go use your money. Anybody know you, you want to know people. No, that's fine. Other than number one. Number two, as far as they are my children, I will do anything with my children. When I go, they are my children, they are my biological children. They cannot develop by the money. No, that's my life. These are my children, they're my happiness. Yeah, I didn't know your answer. When you are EU, yeah, dear, we are here because what a revenue. Even we are in a comfort because we are. Yes. Or say, Noruba, he actually lacking of back. By the grace of God, because he's learn from me. I always tell you, use my kind of person till they leave your house. You will see your wife will be happy with you. Yes. And I only the saga you look the good side about your memory. Use them and follow up with your life and with your family at home. And when we are here, what's your ballet? We don't know. Am I going to my beer? You can see where there's difference between you and I. The maturity is too long, it's too big. You understand? Every day, not only you win as his own, woman, because wife, your wife is waiting to see good mother time to come. You know my no, right there, now dear, now dear one. Ever I need but as the guy you with him. Madame, you were actually away. Or I want sent to me Facebook now. I am pay. No kidding, I am the pay who are away. Or your way, the way. Yes. Every man didn't know who wanted to be married. Yes. Then I apply life man. Men on Facebook. Or I am in a life contract. You understand? Or not. You might apply life man. Another way, my plan. My plan even it's my how it was. If one put on Facebook, I want to on Facebook. If one put on Facebook, my Facebook like family. No lack of video, no lack of it. You understand? Seeing is believing in what they're getting one-on-one. This is my wife. You follow up with her. You follow up with her plan. You plan for your surprise the first one. You don't find you oh. First of all, we back with this money away. Not with this money away. We buy this money away. Master, I want to call you. Wait. Where I'm a penny, who's the way I do a good. Where I deeply by the replay. Who the bullet? He gives a gay. Or one of the other master where. That's why I buy so I don't want to go. Wait. You want to trust me? Woman, you are here. You are here. What the one you already bought up to you bring to go and see no bad private jets. And I power to myself. You understand? Every time I because I plan. You know, the plan. They plan with your wife. They carry your wife along. I'm with the movie I'm here long. Master, no way young gay. He's not your man from my own. I'm way along. And when I told you born when you only master talking, carry along. They learn the good side, the bad mainland. So with the bad side. That's why they always tell you, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. When I say that, I remember you be wutu. I saw for you to do my own. Or one of my virgin marry. You know I'm a virgin. Or one of Jesus Christ. When she's not making me happy, I send her out of my life. Straight down. If you don't know, make you know now. You know, I not be that kind of man. Whether they use speak the time. You understand that? Don't be an guadalmo, you want to me be a Jimmy Vanning and up here. No proud mom, or a big proud mom, and probably send there a urine test to go in. Imagine how feel like ball is that. And your own cup of tea, you're not sent. I'm not coming back to you today. Austin up is a singlet in Indonesia, you will stop away. I don't need that. I dash you. That's my decision. That's the kind of my hand. Look back, money. You see the reason why they think they pain them each time they see me with a woman. Because for their mind, they will say one of these days we'll step back again. So they are shocked to say I don't go on that level. They'll come and go to the second the woman. So I can't go. Go to law, you don't go. But I don't look back. That way. If me a date, you are that kind of woman that disrespects me, that doesn't respect me, that doesn't pay my principle. If I want to tell you track, all you that will be able to if like a trader or we are winning, even when I saw boss a little back, you know what? Well, okay, I quiet here. Okay, a trading, I'm moving. Well, I quiet here. You don't go to your battle live. That's so yours be. So you guys go and work on yourself, women. We have a lot of men out there who need serious wife, good women with good attitude. You understand? If you're not working on yourself, who won't give you man? You go hard. Like no, for next month, no. I will start that program. This connection program. You understand? We get a lot of men out there. They need woman, but they fear. Now this man, woman go their house, but they don't need to record themselves. They go record themselves. They don't be free with each other, which is very bad. Very, very bad. Yes, I get proof. Some say I get proof. Man, if they will talk anyhow, will talk when they call it, not to really quarrel, but woman with the record. If not settle tomorrow, how much that man will really look you. That one are the one thing women don't understand. Which imagine man with the record the wife. Is that not a useless man? He get one woman for no way. I don't know where I'm not a bed job, I'm not a journey here the woman did. When matter come life video that time, the money can talk for the matter. The man that carry wife come on live, the man record the wife. Record the wife, carry come on play record of the wife for live video. I was ashamed of myself, say, God, which kind of animal be this one? That kind of woman now, when man go the record, the woman freely they talk to your husband, they quarrel. The husband has the record. Just not going to use quarrel, they ask the woman. Will they find the woman quarrel? Any woman with the verse can say anything. Then the man now come to the record and won't give presenter. The presenter can beat the woman. So the woman a bad person. You know me, my own case is different. I thought that matter that year. The man when I talk to the family na kill Keke. Keke and the Jizo. And I know them. I don't want to mention your name. The family na Keke and the Jizo. He record the wife can't come for this video. Bad man is always a bad man. Tomorrow, that kind of woman, how that woman will fit fall in love freely with her heart with another man again. Pala. I do my drink. How are you? Marriage for abroad can hard or you love her. Or see fear what a baby and fear. Or baby guy, what's not make not single. It's when money me. I can't living together, self-cutting. Living in low. When I say that you stay you walk back. I was a little bit madam here, and I pay the money to live alone. See the Google line like I do your or I don't know, where I you, what I about you, monitor. You see, also, it's one good character. Yama, Wawikia. So I wrote club in a Guania, Toya, Bunukiani, I have respect every God. In God, you want to respect everything, where respecting because you are giving your wife, don't you name it, but the Yeah, the so those kind of a woman, those kind of men, why are you marrying her? That's the problem. Voila. May God help them in Jesus' name. Solomon of you can ruin the ballon if you have feel with any own women. A life you know, especially when you have a wife, when you have a woman. When my dad made you phone, when I were a voatu, what the guy will go. When I take away near and strong, I don't want to be palo. We are taking a man marry 20 times we are not there. Saga continue, saga. Yeah, what? Dun. Sam Majesty. Oh God. Saga with that old block bass. When they married, they made you calm down. As a big boy now, I love him. More you are video in a man start. I did slow down. You know why? Because if they could know anything, if they could know the government. I never knew what one or exactly what now I grab it. Now I know. I want to wait know on my coil. The day I be a more be the deputy. I don't know what happiness in me matter. Me, I don't know if I go. But me, I also have something to the front. Calm down. Who offend you? Calm down. I say calm down. If you're UK, you have to see the 1 hour. If you're London, you're UK. Ugiare si luwa UK o. Ugiare si luwa UK. Why we must me efu. Why e mata me efu. E mani re UK. Abi ko ni awa doctor so be UK. Meri omo ku no go do re UK. Tu mani. Oga ya wali si mate ku mani wa ipune. O si awo be hu mata wa. No di zi gwa era hu mata wa. Meri omo no re UK. Odoga boru gbe mi are wo tesan. Ida come west you then away. No menwe na. No native doctor with me I go answer. Wow, I won't be proud is no pride. I know I did it. Native doctor no really say native doctor no really say all the others have no die heavy. All we ever say boy na na be kan. Asana ai. You understand? In Moscow the Moscow me are the thing to or this win obuna kana we so na gune na nagbo obuna kana we na nagbo in Moscow o kan obuna kana we frank na nagbo so na he or this win here latest updates a picture here na appear or this win here mom let love lead a picture will na appear. You understand? If we imagine no time live video even ni emi udogobo na to yana me bogbu ya ne na wona no bo wa mo bogbu ya yen ni so ni ya na bogbu ya on na bolo fo e meri omo e asaga e ona wo bi so ye hu e ya tani ye hu e ni ya kama won ye hu ona pa dogobo ona ya webo awe ti e bo le la ye ne udo obi enu gbe láti ya bed gbo oda fún wa wo obi enu gbe ona ti ya bed gbo da fún wa wo iwa mi di mote na be jawa bu ni na wa gbo next month na o yan we e bed ni post a picture there no say I post the picture it is I don't forget no forget to she that day ya lo bu a do lo so born wo to o ma so again agbera wa na ran si na ni ya wa wa se e wa ya ti e boy de ya ba ya me bo gbe ya ba ya me gbe wa no ya me bo ku ma aye mu de ku wa ko bo no se bo wa ko wa ya gbe azu wa ya gbo wa le seminar imagine ya ga ni ati e ku ma na no mu ya no ya mu ya ati e bo no ya wa ti e ku ma na see never dry. I don't see never that we have to hear. She stay deported. Or do you are really? Or do you are really know I'm not bug with me? Or when you are with 7 please. Or you're any wrong. Or you're too jaw. Or you're too open. Or you're table. You know how my way. I'm coming. Even I only run with even you will do well. Come and apologize and I will let go. Really? I'm not going to apologize in that way. Abby? Arrest for the matter. Since then, why they come pan? But easier we easier wouldn't. Ija wu ne na we ni gwa bona ijo jon ri wu. Ama ya ka easy. Dey me lo gbe ye. Et me ya tie bono na ya dewe. O ya gwo bo sin yewe. Sin yegui. Social media na wala me ya. I pray of the for this time video. Ya wa go si wa ka bori wa. Any kire no wa settle with peace. So that peace go dey. Wa from buga. Only no it down no la go there. Emi ya call. Emi ya yin ya. On be down. You must go go man. Honestly, not that good. That's the reason why boy and what he national jowa in action with them. I'm very straightforward somebody. Why we are here? Julie Mitte, not the UK, Julie London. No, I didn't fully tiobo. Or Bodo, or Frank Moswo. Yaga, or that for no yagabo, Yakiwa. Or let's say I know, or your money, or your mouth. Honestly, I track to me. Imanaji. These are the people that way. I tell you, Elia Idolabu, Elia Bumania, Elia Bugania, now Ganyan. And I no one and they are human traffickers. The mafia, he could roll with the bread price wrong, or you are very new what up your way. What had done it all? It would move your button, you feel lily or let the way. A bread price up, we are not going to go, you won't who marry Tony. When you are very new one the boyfriend, no man will you won't. Oh, what can very new one up there? Oh, when you come go, you won't come again. It not belong to the family of that any. A Canadian love me can do unprove. And then you won't. Okman and Ogui, MOG, Julie Mitte. Julie go go dala. No, when you're Julie London ye, a quick comment ye. How can I carry a quite kaya? No one in a bowl or see one yiki. Don't choose or do compare presenter for media. I got discussed that you. I don't know Bonnie one other. I say saga, body saga. I say saga, you know, oh boy, no bunokwa. Emilio Marone. Oh, by a bunokwa. Oh, if you're Iwo, ya. Okay, go ya. Oh, boy, I want to saga that bullet boa. Wow, we're joking. When somebody the educational wants something, now they front this one. You know, my boy, and when I have an affair that when I ask the billion or magic bag away. Rubbish. Oh, you're not going oh, the rest is not there. Morning on your quicker. Morning on your quicker. Morning on your quicker. He's a no boy. Almost one of you. Oh, them winning the nice one. Picture not. Oh, understand. Morning on your quicker. No, we want to give away shop the cat, but they can't do able to do. Now, we want to back quicker the party. The money, money, don't practice lesbianity. You continue banako. You have one year for me. Only now I do are threatening whenever I believe you will be having with me, you, Mamma, when maybe I'm more interested with us. I need to not the boy who rack with being back here. Hospital, when you put out your hospital. Hospital. Yeah, you when you go to once in a bathroom. You know how sister you know, my brother, angry. And you need to be good at it. You wear it depends. You don't get probably nice chicks now. Are you lock up? You understand? Person matter that on this media. You know, my don't trust woman. Don't trust woman. You know, okay, now good. I don't trust woman. Now you have to trust woman. You know, brand price is wrong. And you have friend up your way. Huh? Now okay. Sister, not the UK. Brand price is wrong. We are friend up your way. If I come for you, you will not like me. If I come for you, you will not like me. As the woman, one of my boys, no, one of my boys, you power man. I'm not going to have it. Then I watch a video in the bar. You might explain the woman. Who can buy a ring? What you know? The woman you have no number. I'm going to call him. I'm going to call him now. You are calling me. Trust. You watch a video in the room. Wagwan, I don't need Wagwan, Wagwan, and one no. Brother, you give a is there a ton? Is there a little man? You know, me, no problem. You know, you want to wear. No, no, I'm like call. Now I'm like call with me on phone. You're not going to go. You're not going to go. You're not going to go. Okay. A bed banana, you know, what I want to. Deal with your head. Let's go there. Now we'll not bring us together as a family. That was how I want to go to the prayer sharply. Sharply. What Umeru cannot do does not exist. Now that's an answer of your brother. That color bride price is sharp. A woman in freedom. When you feel no one will hang over your home. That one will to Australia or London. What I tell you, I'm not going to put down with my people to water. Or the mic coming, my sister might come. Until on you go, you're going to be okay. So just go now, we are free. And we will allow it to be fair. So then the woman is free. I'm not a breakfast. Breakfast, I don't know where would they free one day? Wake here. A day we were a so tired. So it's good to go. A man will judge with speech with a sin committing. That was how that thing got happened. You understand? So my lovely beautiful sister out there, who have done image, who knew who also went over water. You understand? So no one people were. I think the river, so no one, or the two one, or yeah, feeling what was money getting, getting more women, man. You understand? Now, there is no woman in Germany. I've been trying to reach this woman for the past, since last year, for the past 8 months now. I'm trying to reach her. They gave me a number. Her number is not going. It's like she's not going to use that line. Okuni kana bien okuya. Abi bien okuya na. Ona bando kana from seeing his children. His 2 children. Hello. Okuna. A picture of women. Picture tiens ya famille pinya women. Other for not be money, but not be money now. He watched my video. Niya hawe ere mo kuna yenwe kono ku the webuna ugba we mo go and take the responsibility of children before that December period. During that December period, when I was available before December. Now you go here say na okay can make be no mo no be no take part in life of them. No, I'm going to be big man of a company of their baby papa who is not taking responsibility. I will personally come out and saga those men. I did that video, and the man watched the video. When the man watched the video, the man called me. That was last year. Now, bro, stay the video no and why watch it for now? Now when you kill it, because I mean, what I know, I worry may be. The man said, wait till I just talk for that video. You're blessed now him. Let me talk to. So because he get Pekin or Germany, 2 children. So they say, you know they hear from them. And they try every means to support the woman of no avail. The woman on the creed. Today the woman block her. I say, really? Say yes. So because he really offend the woman. The man confess yes. Now him. Now he offend the woman family big time. He fucked up as a man. So see the woman also follow that man. And it's making see the assistant small. With small money when you take at least make the children fit the here. Maybe buy their phone. The same money they can't give them or buy clothes can't give them. This woman refused. You understand? I said, really? Say yes. I was so happy, man. I was happy for you to open the mouth, talk, saying him offend the woman. And I said, God bless you. For that word, you don't lie. Just tell me the truth. Or is it because I watch the video, I don't lie? You know, you basically say, now, the problem is wrong. What will happen? I will say I will join you to beg the woman to forgive you. So that means you don't see your children. You need to take responsibility of your children. The woman not ask for something too big. Throughout, I called this number across last year. The number was not going. 3 days ago, the same man now called me. On the 12th of April, go make him begin birthday. This is 10 now. On the 12th of April, let me people in birthday. Say if you want to do birthday now, let's go buy a gift as a father. But no avail. The only sister when they tell a year when they reach. To that sister, they have actually a year from the man. Saga King Star, I greet you. Thank you very much for the star. I greet you, brother. Top time. The only man, the only place the only miss will still reach the woman. Now, true in sister when they tell a year. In sister now, the woman don't want the sister, see why the sister will give her a number. So the sister block her. That is why the sister will tell you constantly block the man. So we don't get the authority to reach the woman again. No, it's okay. What you want, bros? That sister will tell you, give me a number. So yes, sister will they talk every day. That's okay. I call the sister no big. Maybe sister see my message. I can't write the sister. I see my message. The sister call me back. I can't introduce myself. Now, because the reason why I call you. Because your sister, the man will born for us, he want to take the responsibility of children. At least if you want to buy the best, to buy her gifts. Not be say one go sleep, just see they buy her the gifts. They say money go to give them. Please make me stand to take responsibility. They know say if they take responsibility of the children, I will take the man request for. Now it's time to say why me not take the man give me sister number. That's means I ask her give me. Since last year, I give me number, the car no longer exist. He said, what you can be young for instance? I said, what you be young for instance? Say, since now you are able to communicate, help me tell you that say, the man want to take responsibility of children. So, he ain't gonna hear from sister girl. He ain't gonna communicate. That's okay, good. No problem. So, as I want to end the call, because I say, anytime you hear from the sister, he will turn and say, I call. That's no problem. But the one issue, no, the man not come for quarrel. Don't say back and say come in there, make saving the conditions at the side guy now. They don't come for peace to reign. For it to hear from the children. You understand? Okay. You know why I thought this for media? I will saga that woman with the family. They will feed the saga of me. For me, I like to respect people. But if they want form say they be over no media, I go mess them up necessarily. You know me now. I know what you feel. Yes, now. I show example. That's the truth. Also, I can make sure where in Nona. So that the I know idea. We didn't know we didn't saga him, saga back. He didn't saga. Now, the woman now is not the rich, but his sister know, and his sister they reach the woman. The woman don't even hear it now say, I don't call his sister. But they lock up like say, now ghost, now goat, now they born for. Not the human being they born for. Not the human being born like that. How can we give her that belly? He just pretend. No matter what the man do you now, the man don't come out and say he want to take responsibility of his picking. You understand? You know what's before this our home will not go school. They're gonna say, hey, government. When you go reach government turn, that time you go lose. You never know anything. When you go reach government turn, you go know say as you get right, that's what that man still get right. The lawyer they will take. As they say they talk this thing for inside house, we not go like no wahala. One thing will make me happy, the man not come and not say that the woman wrong her. He said that he wrong the woman, I wrong the family. But me they allow him to take responsibility of the child, the children. So what's the big deal over there? We wake you away there. We make you away there, they can't. You feel me? Brad price na mo yo. Am I pay brad price yo? This is I put my hand and then one sagara. It get time we are give marriage. If that time reach, I go bring the picture come on. This is sister wey say no the hear from so it go hear from that time. When the sister picture go fall out. When the family picture go fall out, they go hear from that time. Now me put make I tell this thing. Make sister hear. Sister dey Italy. The main woman wey born the pikin dey Germany. She down gbegbe. They chop adoro money. They chop children benefits. If you like chop the million benefits, the man don't send children benefits. Plus the man money in gay self. Collect children benefits. He go still bring you what I call they give you for hand. Not be saying that through governments. Or maybe the government to come cut it money. No. More sense is not common. It not get sense. So that's why I got that one issue. Men wanna stand take the responsibility. Women, they allow your baby papa they see children. No. Now man, I get the children. The word is enough for the wives. Because when time go reach, if I sister that saga, when I not say Frank, never I want them home. And I can't tie around, make it down at home. Because I'm constantly bring this video to complain. Where for the talking? The woman now they do like good deft. And then you have bullet, boy, me just say, if I never come in now, if I correct me, no worry. That was another question, sister, that's not hear everything. What if you suit me, your sister say, girl, in a married woman. You be married woman, you get husband for her. You get husband for her. Your husband, they watch you now. They watch your sister. The evil way your sister they do now. On my head, or is that me dear, look at you more than I will put you out. I get what I tell you. If I can come here for me first. That's why I got to talk English. Oh, I thought idea. I am feeling boy. I will read I say it. So what I'm standing to say this evening, women always try to take your responsibility as a woman, and men take your responsibility as a man. Mothers, I'll give you what I name here, very important. Share this video. Maybe that woman hand. Wait for Germany. I share it out there. Show your children. No one mentions her name. So my son, I just want to invite me again. Dr. Querita Yemimo invite you to join its private group, the Total AY TV subscribe. Which day this one starts? Come on my phone. I go add by the Total. My phone. Yeah, don't sleep. No. Yeah, no. Have you what? I'm gonna leave you guys on sleep. You gotta go on now by this kind. You gotta go on by this kind of time. You gotta go on by this kind of time. You was at like come here, quality. Go out sweet. Oh, boss, why are you cool? Oh, then you are you. Well, I wanted to finish. Alright, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Now, bye bye for now.